Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are talking about bringing new life to a tired and worn out fiberglass exterior door. So this is a door, it's got kind of like a wood grain to it, but it's not wood, it's fiberglass. Kind of feels like plastic. So if you have an exterior door that's fiberglass but kind of has this wood grain look to it, I'm going to show you the easiest way that I know to revive it and bring it back to life. We can't use a stain. We don't want to use a paint. So we're going to use something in between, and it's called gel stain. It's basically a nice thick gel that has a high pigment content that's very easy to apply, and we're going to apply that to the fiberglass door. So like any staining or painting project, you have to start with a clean surface. So to prep this fiberglass door, I'd like you to take a sanding sponge and just give a light sanding to the entire surface that you are going to apply the gel stain to. And then after that sanding, you're going to have to clean up any particles left behind with tack cloth. After the sanding sponge, after the tack cloth, we're going to have a nice clean and dry surface in which to apply the gel stain. And I recommend applying it with a clean, lint-free rag. Now, if you want to use a brush or a roller, you can do that. And you just dip the rag into the gel stain, and in small sections and in light coats, apply the gel stain to the fiberglass surface. Every once in a while, step back from the door, make sure it's going on in a uniform manner. So in total, you want to apply about 2 to 3 coats of gel stain. For a door of this size, a standard exterior front door, it's going to take about 30 to 45 minutes to do so, so it's not going to take you a long time. And like I said, it's really important to make sure you're stepping back during the project to make sure that the gel stain is going on uniformly. Otherwise, you have to go back and touch it up so you don't have a splotchy front door. As you can see, we've taken a fiberglass door that was worn out, tired looking, just, looked lifeless, and very easily and very simply, we brought it back to life using gel stain. Now, if you have any questions about this process, please leave that in the comments. Of course, if you found this video helpful and you found this content helpful, please subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching the Everyday Workbench.